Good afternoon, and thank you for logging on to your Northwest Florida QuickCast for June 13th, 2017. I'm meteorologist Cameron Young. We've got a lot to talk about in our QuickCast today, so let's jump on in. We have a wet Wednesday in store with more unsettled weather for later this week. And this weekend, it's still going to be somewhat soggy here across the Florida Panhandle. The HRRR shows the showers and thunderstorms fading during the evening, then possibly refiring near the coast tomorrow morning. Again, it's not going to be exactly where this model says, but just plan on some coastal showers and thunderstorms tomorrow morning. Tonight's forecast: during the evening, the thunderstorms will fade through the evening and then become much more isolated after sunset. So the rain chances tonight definitely going to be lowering, especially after midnight, down to around 10%. But as you notice, getting closer to sunrise, those rain chances ramp right back up, especially if you are right along the coast. So tonight's forecast, the scattered thunderstorms will end early and then develop again near the coast late tonight towards tomorrow morning. Lows in the low 70s inland, low to mid 70s along the coast. And then for your Flag Day tomorrow, June 14th is Flag Day in the United States. Showers and thunderstorms will be firing up again, a 60% chance of rain with highs generally in the mid-80s. Thanks to the cloud cover and rain around, we're not going to be quite so warm. So the NAM model, you see a lot of green popping up on this map. Don't worry about it. It's not going to rain all the time every day, but it's going to be hit and miss near the coast in the morning, inland during the afternoon hours. Here's our tropical satellite. We have the area circled in red. That's Tropical Depression Calvin. That's in the eastern Pacific. We don't have to worry about it. However, you see this area circled in yellow, but there's really nothing in there. That's our area to watch from the National Hurricane Center, and they give it a 20% chance of forming during the next 5 days. So there's nothing there right now, but something could form there. We're going to take a look at a couple models. This is from the GFS, thanks to tropicaltidbits.com. Has an area of low pressure developing near the coast of Belize and Honduras during the next couple of days. This is by Sunday morning, actually. Here's a GFS ensemble. This is basically the GFS run several different times with different conditions put in. And it has a cluster of those red numbers that you see. Those are different areas of low pressure, and they're all clustered right there near the coast of Belize and Honduras. So it gives a little bit higher confidence to something possibly forming there. And even the European model is not quite as organized, but it does show some lower pressures there, which could mean that something could try to form there. But it's important to note these questions. Will it form? Where will it end up? And how strong will it be? We simply just don't know yet. It hasn't even formed. There's nothing there right now. So over the next several days, we're going to have to keep watching this. It is hurricane season, so things can change pretty quickly in the tropics. So you always have to keep updated with the forecast. Keep updated with our local forecast too. Chance of rain pretty much every single day, 50 to 60% for the next 5 days, and then slightly lower possibly into next week. Highs will stay in the upper 80s through this weekend, possibly getting up to the lower 90s inland, and our lows staying in those sultry 70s. I'm meteorologist Cameron Young. Thank you for logging on to your Northwest Florida QuickCast, and I hope you have a fantastic day.